Got hands? Of course you do. These bad boys are all you'll need to install GrabPad. Oh, and a measuring tape is helpful too. First off, find the diameter of your jack feet. Take one hard stop out of your first jack pad and slide that puppy onto your jack foot from the side. Thanks, example hands. Now take that hard stop you removed and reinsert it. Rinse and repeat for the rest of your jack feet. Boom! Take a second to admire your handiwork. Go ahead. You know you want to. Oh, and one last thing. Before lowering your jacks, take a peek underneath. You know that saying, one man's trash is another man's treasure? Yeah, well, that's not the case here. Get those obstructions out of there. If you ever need to remove your grab pads, simply perform the installation process in reverse.